all of you, but also for a world in need, no? And I believe that music really connects us, it heals us, and always gives us hope. And so, if my songs tonight will speak to your hearts, let this be a spark of kindness, of inspiration, of joy, and that if you feel like singing with me, pwede ra jud pud kayo, no? So, this next set of songs is actually a medley that I always sing sa akong mga events, and I believe a lot of you know the words to these songs. So, if okay lang, munaog ko later, mga ko gamay nga partisipasyon, okay ba? Yes, and just today I learned we also have Japanese friends tonight joining us. So, would it be okay if I to share a short story? I was actually part of a group before, back when I was in high school. I was part of a group called 10G Troopers, and the work that I did was to sing for tourists that